Farms across Australia are actively searching for international workers, and many employers are willing to sponsor visas to fill these roles. For anyone looking to work abroad, farm work in Australia has become one of the most accessible pathways. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about farm jobs in Australia with visa sponsorship in 2026. We'll talk about the types of farm jobs available, salary expectations, companies hiring, where to find these jobs, and the step-by-step process to apply. If you've been thinking about working in Australia, this could be one of the easiest ways to get your foot in the door. Australia's agricultural sector is massive and contributes billions to the country's economy each year. Because many farms are located in rural regions, employers often struggle to find enough local workers. This is why international workers are welcomed into the industry. Farm jobs are available across several agricultural sectors including fruit and vegetable farms, dairy farms, livestock and cattle stations, grain and crop farms, vineyard and winery farms. Many of these farms operate year-round and regularly hire foreign workers through visa sponsorship programs. Another reason farm work is attractive is the pay. While entry-level roles may start lower, experienced workers and machinery operators can earn significantly more. Typical salary ranges include entry-level farm workers, about $23 to $28 per hour. Skilled farm workers, about $28 to $35 per hour. Farm supervisors or machinery operators, $60,000 to $85,000 per year. In many cases, farms also provide additional benefits such as accommodation, transport, or subsidized meals. Companies offering farm jobs in Australia. Costa Group. Costa Group is one of Australia's largest horticulture companies. Because their farms operate at a large scale, they regularly hire workers across different areas of the business including harvesting, packaging, farm operations, and logistics. Olam Agri. Olam Agri is a global agricultural company involved in farming, food production, and supply chain management. Workers can find roles ranging from farm labor to equipment operation. Australian Agricultural Company. This company is one of the largest cattle producers in Australia and manages large cattle stations. The company operates in remote areas and often recruits workers who are open to living and working in rural environments. Treasury Wine Estates. Treasury Wine Estates operates vineyards and wineries and produces internationally recognized wines. For people interested in vineyard work, this sector can offer a unique farm experience. Tips to increase your chances of getting hired. Here are a few strategies that can improve your chances of landing a farm job in Australia. Apply to multiple farms instead of relying on just one application. Focus on regional areas where labor shortages are highest. Gain basic agricultural skills or training if possible. Highlight any previous manual labor experience. Many farm employers prioritize reliability and strong work ethic over formal education. Australia's agriculture industry continues to depend heavily on international workers, and farm jobs remain one of the most accessible ways to work in the country. Whether it's fruit picking, dairy farming, livestock work, or operating farm machinery, there are many opportunities for people who are ready to work hard and adapt to rural life. If this is something you're interested in, start preparing your CV, search for the job titles we discussed on the platforms mentioned, and apply to multiple opportunities. I'll drop useful job platforms in the description to guide you. If this video helped you understand the process better, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future job updates and visa opportunities. Your relocation journey is possible. Just approach it the right way. See you in the next video.